In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Instagram profile. Now, it's pretty simple. Just make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important details, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. But without further ado, the first thing you're going to do to set up your Instagram profile is you actually need to download the Instagram app, because if you do not have the Instagram app, it's actually impossible to create an Instagram profile. But once you have the app, like I already do right here, once you open the app, it's actually going to bring you to a page like this. It's actually going to make you create an account. In this case, let's just say we want our username to be this. Once you type that in, you just want to click on the next icon and you want to create an account that you want to be your password. Now make sure this password is memorable, because if it's not, then you will easily forget your account. Now once you do that, you just click on the next icon, then you click on the complete setup, unless you want to add a phone or email, which I highly recommend so you do not forget your Instagram account login. Then you just click on the complete setup option, and once you do that, it's actually going to bring you to this page right here. It's going to suggest a bunch of accounts that you should actually follow. It may take a second to load, however, and it's actually going to ask you to sync your contacts. In this case, I don't want to, so I'm just going to click skip again, Facebook friends. And if you want to add a profile photo, you can do that. You can just choose one from your library, or unless you want to take one right now. In this case, I'm just going to add this one of this cool sunset right here. Then you click on the done option, click on the next, and as you can see, it'll actually recommend a bunch of people that you want to follow. You click on next again, and you can actually choose what your interests are that you are here on Instagram for. In this case, if I'm here for some football and some memes, I'm just going to choose those two things. And maybe I'm here for some country music too. I'm just going to select that and then click on next, and it will actually personalize your entire Instagram page to these posts that you've made right here. As you can see, we've already got some football. Going right here, and some little country music and everything else that we've personalized this page for. And as simple as that, to make an account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel.